Hello everyone. I believe that during this tiring time, we all have to deal with one common problem, which is how sore our ear become after a long day of wearing face masks. So I would like to present to you a special paper mache that will help you solve this problem. All that you would need for this project are a ruler. The stronger, the stiffer, the better. And an unused magazine or a book or notebook that you wouldn't like to use anymore. But make sure that the pages are the size of A4 paper. And lastly, any kind of one-side adhesive tape, like Scotch tape. For first step in creating this piece, you would have to press the ruler against the middle of the book. Make sure you press against it hard and firm. And then please tear out a page. Once you got the page out, fold it in the middle like this. It will look like this after you fold it. For the next step, put your ruler inside the folded paper. Then use it to cut along the folded part of the paper. And then you will get two pieces of paper that we can use for this project. Don't worry if the edges look rough or uneven. Please pick out one paper and keep the remaining one for the next time you would like to create this project again, or just for any other recycling project. Please fold the paper you pick out in the middle like this. Once you have folded it, it will look like this. Don't worry if the edges are uneven. Next, please unfold it and you will see the crease in the middle like this. Next, please fold long edges of the paper to meet the crease in the middle. This is what it will look like when you fold one end. And please fold the other ends too. And this is what it will look like once you fold both ends to meet the crease in the middle. Now, please fold each corners of the paper. Fold it in such way that each of them will meet the crease in the middle. Please make sure to fold all four corners. This is what it will look like once two corners has been folded. And after you fold another two corners, this is what the final product for this step will look like. Now, please flip the paper over. And then folded the two pointy ends backward toward the middle of the paper. Please do it for both ends. And this is what the final product for this step will look like. Please flip it over again. And then please fold each long edges to meet in the middle of at the crease. Make sure to fold both ends of the long edges. And this is the final product of this step. Next, please apply the adhesive tape on the part that is wide open. And this is how the final product will look like. The principle of this paper mache is simple. You simply hang the mask on the hook part of this paper mache instead of your ears. And trust me, if you use this paper mache, at the end of the day, your ears will thank you.